Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to feature the Après Hello Kitty 50th edition Extend Gel Kit. As you can see, the cute packaging, they really did pay attention to detailing. I love the bow. It's super cute. But look at the little the zippers. Check this out. They put the little bow on the back. How cute is that? To your new Hello Kitty Gel X. This is pretty helpful because someone like me struggles and I really need a guide to kind of go back to and make sure I'm doing this. 15 ml Extend Gel Non-Wipe, 15 ml exclusive gel color, 15 ml non-wipe, and 100/180 nail file, a mini buffer, and an omni light. You also get this pamphlet. Okay. You get this pamphlet, this Après, creator of Gel X. Here is the buffer. This is so pretty. I think when I open this up, it's very pleasurable to see all the bright yellow, Miss Hello Kitty. It's just done, it's just colorful. I love it. They really did make this kit really a collectible. And here we go, your Omni light. Okay, so here, this is your power button. This is your power source. You can open it up and you plug your little USB-C in there. All right, and then lastly, we have the adapter cord to plug into the Omni light. You get 280 pieces with 14 different sizes. Now I have, let me focus in on this. I have a lot of their tips. Anyway, this is cute. There's a little barcode in here, scan for inspiration. I probably should have did that because I'm trying to create my own inspiration today. It might be a mess. So that does it for what's inside the case. They've given you everything and provided everything you need to have a hopefully successful nail application, and we're going to see what happens with this for me. But I want to go ahead and jump into today's nail design. I kind of think I know what I want to do, but we're gonna jump in and do it. Doing my nail prep only because my challenge is my nails, especially the cuticle area. I'm not sure if I'm drilling too much, but I do know that I still have product. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with number 1, prep and clean the natural nails. I want to be able to show you all how I am doing my nail prep only because my challenge is my nails, especially the cuticle area. I'm not sure if I'm drilling too much, but I do know that I still have product in the sidewalls and in the cuticle area, and I'm afraid to keep taking the drill, and so in fear of damaging. So I'm going to go ahead and let this video play out. I do encourage anyone and everyone for any comments, suggestions of what I can do better, any helpful tips. I really would greatly appreciate it because I do want to promote nail growth. And so with that said, I'm gonna go ahead and get started.
said 100,000,000 times to you before. Said it before, yeah. I'm doing alright without you, baby. Hope you don't know, just said it okay. Took your number off my phone. I'm doing better on my own. 생각조차 안 나 좋았던 날도 without you, baby. Oh, I feel brand new. Took your number off my phone. I'm doing better on my own. I'm doing alright without you, baby. Took your number off my phone. I'm doing better on my own. 생각조차 안 나 좋았던 날도 without you, baby. Oh, I feel brand new. Took your number off my phone. I'm doing better on my own. I'm doing better on my own. I'm doing better off without you,
So now I'm going to step 2 to apply the pH bonder to natural nail. And FYI, just in case, I had product already on my nails, and so that was a lot of the stuff that was coming up. But you know what? That proved my point about I have so much product in and around my cuticle, because as I was getting my cuticles cleaned out, I had all of that product still nestled back in there. And maybe because I'm not taking my time, and I would suggest that anyone like me who is not an experienced person who does their nails. When I say experienced, I mean really being knowledgeable of how to apply any gel polish. The next step would be to prep your tip using the Gel X Prep Tip Primer. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm not going to talk anymore. I'm going to let you watch me do this.
I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me? Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away, yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away, yeah, we're taking away. We'll never come down. We're going away, yeah, we're going away. You and me, feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you. In the quiet of the night, my head's going so loud. It sounds just like a party. Thoughts spin around like shadows they cast. I'm an overthinker, lost in my life. I'm always searching for answers I'll never find. There's a different moment. Every choice I make, caught in a cycle, can't catch a break. Wish that I could just turn off like a switch in my brain, so I can finally breathe. Thoughts spin around like shadows they cast. I'm an overthinker, lost in my life.
Hey guys, it's a wrap. In spite of all the technical challenges, I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I did featuring Hello Kitty. She is super cute and super adorable, and I actually had fun today. Feel free to please leave me any feedback, comments, or suggestions regarding any future videos or even today. Remember, please hit subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video.